Hey there, I am going to show you how to convert audio files from Pro Tools to WAV format. That way, there's some engineers who don't use Pro Tools, and that way your recorded tracks can be used on any DAW like Cubase or Cakewalk and Ableton and just about any other DAW. So first thing what you want to do here, we have a song that I already pulled up here, and I'm gonna close this down. So first thing that you want to do is you want to set you up a file. So what I did is I got a flash drive here and I named it Pro Tools stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this file into that file that I just created. So here we go, save as, and flash drive, Pro Tools stuff. We'll save it as that name, and also we'll save a copy as well into that same folder. Now the reason for this is the audio files from this song is also going into this folder, and also the new created WAV files will also go into this folder as well. And this is very important, and you will see what I'm talking about once they have been converted into a WAV file, and they're very easy to find once they're converted. So while this is copying to that file, I will be back in a second. Okay, as you can see, this file is copy file. Those are the audio files, and the audio files for this song has all been created here into this audio files folder. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to highlight. This is how I find the best and easiest way to highlight all the tracks that you want to do. Now, first thing you want to do is highlight all tracks. Then you want to hit the Control F key if you're using Windows, and that is going to bring up the batch files program. And what this does is this will set your files and make them the same length so that they can be converted. And so what you want to do is you're going to have all of these files here converted to the same length and the same, so they'll all match up together. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to hit that. The fade length you have selected exceeds the boundary of one or more clips. Would you like to adjust the fade length? Okay, adjust to fit. Okay, then the next thing that you want to do is go over here and find your consolidate clip. Okay, and then you would consolidate your clips here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, now as you can see, all of these files here have been converted, from once what they were to now they're all matching up. So they all match up together, and they can be sent as an audio file, WAV file. Now, all that you have to do now is go into the files, your audio files, where this was created. And let's see here. Where is this at? Okay, let's see, where did this render to? All right, here, be right back. Okay, here we go. Now what you want to do is you want to go here and save these audio files, the new audio files, into one that you had set up. And what that is going to do now, that is going to copy your new converted audio files that are converted into WAV, so that they can be sent with so that they can be sent to another engineer who doesn't operate with Pro Tools. So I will be back once this is completed. Okay, now those converted files that you have been converted into a WAV format where they can be used on any system, all that you have to do is go and look at the dates. Okay, you have your one here, your backing vocals 1, and there's your date there. And then you have your lead vocals 1, lead vox 202, and then you just scroll down to your final WAV file. Now, what you can do here, then you can go ahead and copy these tracks that was converted to a WAV file. You can go ahead and copy these tracks, and then I guess you can just go ahead and make you a new folder. We'll name this Pro Tools Converted WAV files. And then all you do is just paste those files that you had converted from the same track. Now, as you can see, all of the songs are the same, in the same size. They'll match up. And now these WAV files right here can be used on any DAW that you converted. And then all you do is just go ahead and zip your file so it can be sent via email. And this is much better. I mean, for me, this is much better if I receive files as a WAV files than trying to receive the Pro Tools session files, because sometimes other people's Pro Tools will not operate somehow. I mean, sometimes I can't get every Pro Tools sessions to work with mine, so I would rather to get receive WAV files that have been converted. And to check those WAV files, all you do is just go in there, and then you have your converted WAV files, which can be used on any other DAW. This has been Juan V with JVH Productions, and I hope this explained to you how to convert audio files from Pro Tools to WAV. And if you have any questions, just leave your comments below, or you can contact me at jvhproductions.com. Thank you.